The rear frame on this is detachable and it has 3 bolts, and it's all the reason I did that is so that for transportation you just take the 3 bolts and the rear frame comes off. You don't have to undo any cables, no shifter cables, no nothing. Everything is included, everything is packaged on the front of the trike. The rear frame's just the seat and the rear wheels, and it just comes off with 3 bolts. To go back to the prior step with the towing adjustment, before I was doing my test rides, I actually took a picture before I disassembled it of the thread counts on the tie rods and stuff, so that would help with the second adjustment after reassembly. Alright, let's get with the rear frame. Okay, we're done. See? Easy! We're going to put the seat rail bracket on. I've greased everything up, basically for aluminum. I want the aluminum to gall up in the steel, because there's steel tubes in there just to try to reinforce the tubing. Okay, little Dremel fixes everything. So we have a little bit of adjustment there. Basically this frame was custom fitted for me. Next frame, well, I'm going to extend this out a couple inches so there's more adjustment for the seat.